Tomorrow is my puja and lots of people are coming at my puja. I think I should go to bank and get more money. Son, hey son.
Yes, Mom.
Can you go to bank and exchange this into more money? My head is hurting so much.
Okay, Mom. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you exchange this 10 rupees to 2 5 notes?
Okay. This is your money now.
Thank you, sir. Here you go, Mom.
Oh dear, this is not enough money for my puja. Go get more money.
Okay, Mom. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you exchange this to 5 2 notes?
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Here you go, Mom.
This is even not enough for my puja. I told you lots of people are coming at my puja. Go and exchange this into more.
Good morning again, sir.
Good morning.
Can you exchange this to 10 ones?
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Here you go, Mom. If you send me again to the bank, I won't go.
It is enough money for my puja. Thank you, son. Now you can go home and do your homework.
Thank you, Mom.